Hi, I'm Dr. Dennis Gross, practicing dermatologist and founder of Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. Now we know that retinol reduces the signs of aging. It is one of the powerhouse anti-aging ingredients on the market today. And what I have done that's been proven to be really exciting is to make retinol even more effective and still gentle by adding to it two new ingredients, bakuchiol and rambutan, that significantly increases retinol's powerful effect. This still contains ferulic acid because that's the secret ingredient that keeps this retinol from being harsh. My texture renewal serum is for people who have concerns about their complexion, but who are also interested in improving and preventing the first signs of aging, and it is great for anyone looking to use retinol for the first time. That's because you're never too young to start retinol for its anti-aging benefits. This is a product that's lightweight, and yes, it's gentle, but it is super powerful for improving all of the issues that so many people complain about with their skin. I'm talking about complexion problems, oiliness, bumpiness, pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation, and it even helps prevent them. This formula has the incredible ability to treat the eye area in three ways. It firms the skin, it reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles and crepiness, and at the same time, boosts hydration. That's why we call it triple correction. It's still super gentle, and yes, use it on both your upper and lower lids. I always tell my patients that when your eyes look younger, your entire face looks younger. And that's what this product does for you. Many people ask me, why would I recommend this retinol peel if my alpha beta peel has been such a proven game changer for over 20 years? And the answer is because retinol works in a completely different way than alpha and beta hydroxy acids, and it gives your skin a whole additional set of different benefits. So use this product at night, and when you wake up and for days later, you will see an immediate, beautiful radiance and a clear, smooth complexion with a profound improvement in the look of lines and wrinkles. If you add in the alpha beta peel, you'll see even better results. As a dermatologist, many of my patients ask me, do I really need a special product for the nighttime? And the answer is yes, you do. And the reason being, your skin goes through a natural renewal process while you sleep. So it is essential for you to use a product that helps your skin repair itself overnight. And retinol is the gold standard that does that. So this product truly addresses all of the aging concerns while you sleep. It reduces fine lines, improves elasticity, evens out uneven skin tones, and gives your skin that beautiful radiance. Let me tell you about my Intense Wrinkle Cream. This moisturizer delivers fantastic results on aging skin, but it's also great for preventing dry, fine lines in younger skin. It's effective yet gentle for someone using retinol for the first time. This is a soft, buttery cream that melts into your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and replenished. Okay, everyone, I hope I answered all your questions about retinol, but if you still have questions, reach out on social or check out our website.